Good afternoon everyone. Now, we are discussing about Malaysian police system. My name is Nangganjan Mark with my partner, Robilin Padernal. Now, we are going to start. Malaysian police system, also known as Royal Malaysia Police. Royal Malaysia Police is a centralized organization with responsibilities ranging from traffic control to intelligence gathering. Its headquarters is located at Bukit Aman, Kuala Lumpur. Ang Royal Malaysia Police ay isang centralized organization, means yung decision-making structure ay galing sa executive or higher level ng mga official. And ang ang kanilang headquarters ay matatagpuan daw sa Bukit Aman, Kuala Lumpur. And ito nga pala yung logo na ginagamit ng Malaysian Police o ng RMP. At the federal level, the Ministry of Home Affairs is responsible for police activities in accordance with the Police Act of 1963. Yung Malaysia daw ay isang federal country na ang kanilang government system o police system ay iisa lang. The Ministry of Home Affairs is responsible for police activities in accordance with Police Act 1963. Yung Home Affairs ay responsible for police activities na alinsunod sa Police Act of 1963. The RMP is commanded by the Inspector General of Police. Ang Royal Malaysia Police daw ay commanded o pinamumunuan ng Inspector General of Police na may responsibility na nakasulat sa Police Act of 1967, who reports to the Minister of Home Affairs and who is assisted by a Deputy Director General. Yung ating Inspector General of Police ng Malaysia ay assisted by Deputy Director General. The Inspector General headquarters has 4 department. Ito na, yung ating Inspector General headquarters daw sa Malaysia ay binubuo ng 4 na departments, which is yung Internal Security or Public Order. Pangalawa, Management. Pangatlo, Crime Investigation. Pang-4 is Special Branch. Each department is headed by a director with the rank of Commissioner of Police and who is immediately subordinated by field commanding officers who implement policy. Other police units perform support or conventional police tasks such as direct traffic and maintaining communication. The RMP has women's contingent that deals with crimes relating to women or children and maintains various kinds of volunteer units, the largest of which is the People's Volunteer Reserve that supplements the regular force, particularly in times of national emergency. Yung 4 na department nga ng RMP ay pinamumunuan ng isang director na may ranggong Commissioner of Police. And ang RMP daw ay mayroong women's contingent na kung saan sila yung nagdi-deal sa mga crime or crime incident na related yung mga babae at mga bata. Katulad na lang ng abortion, kidnapping, and etc. And may mga units nga sila na ang mga official is volunteers. Na ang pinakamalaking units na binubuo ng mga volunteers, people or person ay tinatawag nilang People's Volunteer Reserve. Ito daw ay kadalasang Nakakatulong lalo na sa emergency. And ang RMP ay may 5 major operating units. Number 1, Police Field Force, PFF. Number 2, Federal Reserve Units, FRU. Number 3, Criminal Investigation Department. Number 4, Special Branch. And number 5, Marine Police. Ito yung mga major operating units ng RMP. One of the major operating units of RMP is PFF. PFF is controlled by the IS or PO, which has primary responsibility for all public order situations involving suppression of riots and disturbances. Yung Police Field Force nga daw ay controlled ng internal security and public order, which ang pinaka-responsibility nila is to implement public order lalo na sa mga situation ng riots at mga kaguluhan sa mga pampublikong lugar. The PFF was formed to undertake punitive operation against communist guerrillas and armed uprising by the other criminal elements operating from bases in the jungle. Yung PFF nga daw ay binuo upang magbuo ng mga operation against sa mga communist guerrillas and armed uprising o yung mga taong na armado na nag-aalsa laban sa gobyerno ng Malaysia. And yung mga komunista o mga communist guerrillas na ito ay kadalasang nagbe-base sa kagubatan. To facilitate the process, the Inspector General is co-chairman with the Chief of the Armed Forces Staff in the Operational Planning Committee at the national level. PFF functions include patrolling the frontiers and other sparsely populated areas. And yung PFF nga daw, ang isa sa mga function nito is to conduct a patrolling lalo na sa mga taong o sa mga lugar na konti lang yung population or konti lang yung mga tao. The unit is organized into brigades, battalions, and companies that can be deployed on long-term deep jungle operation either independently or especially in internal security matters in conjunction with the armed forces. Ang unit nga daw ng PFF ay divided into or binubuo or organized into brigades, battalions, and companies or sila yung mga pwedeng i-deploy sa mga operation na pangmatagalan. And kung i-reflect natin to sa mga units ng sa Pilipinas, parang sila yung mga scout ranger. And PFF is also utilized in support of the general duties police in crime prevention measures, disasters, and public order situations. 17 battalions are organized into North, Central, Southeast, and East brigades. Units are supplied with scout cars equipped with machine guns and radios. The force has platoon of women police trained in jungle warfare. The unit is headed by Senior Assistant Commissioner of Police as Deputy Director of Administration and Logistics. Yung ating PFF nga daw ay ang ating PFF ay may 17 battalions na naka-organize sa North, Central, Southeast, and East Brigades ng Malaysia. And kada units are may supplied ng scout cars na mayroong mga machine guns. At ang kada units ay may isang trained women police na kayang makipagbakbakan sa mga digmaan. And ang kada unit ay pinamumunuan ng isang Senior Assistant Commissioner of Police as a Deputy Director of Administration and Logistics. The next major operating units is Federal Reserve Units. The FRU, also responsible to the ISPO, are run by a Finance and Logistics Director and Deputy Director of Operation. These are self-contained, specially designed and highly mobile units of specially trained police for the suppression of riots, dispersal of unlawful assemblies, protection of important national and foreign dignitaries, and crowd control. They also assist in rescue working during local or national disaster and may be deployed on tasks in aid of CID, the Special Branch, or District Police. Yung Federal Reserve Units is controlled by internal security and public order, and kadalasan yung unit nito, sila yung pinapadala para sa mga riots, mga dispersal o yung mga unlawful assembly and other protection for important national and foreign dignitaries. Or kadalasan sila yung unit sa pinapadala sa Malaysia na kapag may kaguluhan or yung mga crowd control. And Federal Reserve Units also assist in rescue, or they also work as a rescuer during or national disaster such as lindol, baha. Yon, kadalasan yung baha sa Malaysia, kaya yung Federal Reserve Unit, sila yung natulong tuwing may mga calamity or mga disaster. And kadalasan and may be deployed on special tasks in aid of Special Branch or District Police. The next major operating unit is CID, or Criminal Investigation Department. The CID was created in 1970. Its director is responsible for the prevention and detection of crime and the apprehension and prosecution of criminals. He has two deputies directors. Yung CID nga daw ay na-formed noong 1970, and yung director neto o yung nangangasiwa ay responsible sa pag-prevent and pag-detect ng mga crime. And other responsibility ng director is to prosecute the criminals, or ibigay yung tamang punishment na nababagay ayon sa kanyang nagawang krimen. And CID has two deputies directors, Deputy Director of Administration and Prevention and Deputy of Director of Planning and Operation. The first one is Deputy of Director of Administration and Prevention. Deals with the matters pertaining to administration, criminal records, fingerprints, and railways. Ito nga daw itong Deputy Director, siya yung nagdi-deals with matters sa mga administration, mga criminal records ng isang tao, fingerprints ng isang tao, and so on. And the next one is Deputy Director of Planning and Operation. Deals with the analysis of crime at both national and international levels, the latter through links with Interpol. Technical and forensic investigation into more complicated criminal events, secret societies, and anti-narcotic measures. Itong Deputy Director of Planning, sila yung nagpa-plan nagpa-plan para sa isang operation na nagdi-deal sa pag-analyze ng crime, both national and international levels, dun sa Malaysia at dun sa mga operations internationally or sa labas ng kanilang bansa into more complicated criminal events. Nagpa-plan din sila sa mga complicated katulad ng secret society, anti-narcotic measure. And ang CID also maintains a dog unit and oversees the detective establishment. The fourth major operating units of Royal Malaysia Police is Special Branch. The Special Branch is the equivalent of a secret service and is responsible for the collation and dissemination of security intelligence conveyed regularly to the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. This intelligence service operates at district, field, and headquarters level. Ang branch nga na ito is nagdi-deals with collection, collation, and dissemination of intelligence, having security and law and order implementation. And sila din yung nagdi-deals with sensitive matters like public aggression, subversive activities, which carry potential and real danger to the security of the state and the nation. Yun, sila nga yung nag-aayos ng mga ganong matters na makaka-apekto sa kanilang lugar o sa bansa ng Malaysia mismo. And this intelligence service operates at district, field, and headquarters level. Ito yung special branch nga ay pwede ma-operate at district, field, and headquarters level. And last major operating units is Marine Police. Marine Police patrol territorial and coastal waters to prevent, detect, and investigate breaches of law including piracy, protecting fishing and other marine craft, assist in maritime search and rescue efforts, and police areas accessible only by water. The Marine Police are particularly active off Sarawak in supporting anti-insurgency operation, delivering materials to ground forces, patrolling and maintaining blockades. Their vessels contain mainly of patrol and speedboats. And ang Marine Police nila dito is halos same lang din ng Marine Police ng Pilipinas. Sila yung nakatas for maintaining law and order and execute national security operation in their own territorial matters. Katulad na lang ng pag-prevent and pag-detect and pag-investigate sa mga breaches of law, including katulad na lang ng piracy or yung mga taong na piracy, yung mga pirata na namimirata ng mga barko, and protect fishing and other marine craft. Ganun nga yung pagprotekta ng mga nag-illegal fishing and pagprotect sa mga other marine craft. Yun nga, para sa katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, para sa mga pirata. Assist, and they also assist in search and rescue efforts. And kadalasan nila ito, dahil kadalasan ngang baha doon sa Malaysia, sila yung nagpe-perform or sila yung isa sa mga nagpe-perform ng search and rescue operation kapag may mga calamity na ganon na nangyayari sa bansa nila. And police areas accessible only by water. Siyempre, Marine Police nga. And makilos lang sila pag usapang dagat or may mga territorial waters na. And the Marine Police are particularly active off Sarawak. And ayun nga, maano nila to sa Sarawak ng supporting anti-insurgency operation. Yon, delivering materials, pagdi-deliver ng mga goods or mga materials sa lupa, and sa pagpapatrol sa nasasakupan nilang lugar o sa mga territorial waters na nasasakupan nila, and maintaining blockades or yung harang sa kanilang mga teritoryo. And their vessel consists mainly of patrol and speedboats. And yung mga vessels o yung mga barko nga nila consist or nilalaman ng mga patrol and speedboats. And the next reporter, I'm calling Miss Robilyn Padernal.
At the state and district levels, the police commissioners of Sabah and Sarawak and the chief police officer in each state in the Malay Peninsular are responsible for the day-to-day command and administration of police forces. The country is divided into 13 contingents components headed by the commissioners of police in Sabah and Sarawak in the Borneo states and chief police officers of the states of Kedah, Perlis, Penangkuala, Lumpur, Federal Territory, Selangor, Negeri, Sambilan, Melaka, Johor, Kelantan, Terengganu, and Pahang. Each of these commanders has headquarters staff somewhat comparably of the Office of the Inspector General, with some local modifications based on geography and populations. There are three categories of commanding officer in terms of rank. Commissioners of Sabah and Sarawak and the police officers of the Malaysian Peninsulars are responsible to take command. Sila yung nagbibigay command sa mga Marine Police Force para gumawa ng duties nila. Then, the Malaysia is divided into 13 contingents. Yung 13 state na yun is yun yung nagdi-divide sa 13 contingents na pinamumunuan din ng commissioners of the police in every states. So, we have three categories of commanding officers. Commissioners in Sabah and Sarawak and the Chief Police Officer in Kuala Lumpur, Perak, and Kedah Perlis have the rank of Deputy Commissioners of Police. Chief Police Officers of Penang, Pahang, Kelantan, Johor, and Negeri, Sembilan have the rank of Senior Assistant Commissioner of Police. Chief Police Officers of Melaka and Terengganu have the rank of Assistant Commissioners of Police. The next level of command is that of the officer in charge of a police district who is responsible to the Commissioner Chief Police Officer for the command and control of his district. The police district is not always on an equal level with an administrative district. There are 74 police districts in the Kuala Lumpur Federal Territory. The lowest rank is that of an assistant superintendent of police in a small or rural district. However, the lowest rank may go up to that an assistant and commissioners of police for the more important urban industrialized districts such as Ipoh or Petaling Jaya. The lowest level of command is that of an officer in charge of police station. Each police district is divided into a number of station areas under a junior police officer. There are more than 500 police stations recrossing the country. Each station area is divided into a number of beat and patrol areas. Sa madaling sabi na yung lowest rank daw ng police ay pwede pang tumaas din mapunta sa mas urban and industrial district. The lowest level of command is nandun sa every police station and each district or each state. Then there are more than 500 police stations around Malaysia. Each station is nadidivide sila sa number ng patrol area. Next is RMP organization. Aside from the two departments involved in the administration of management, department and logistic department, RMP have 6 departments involved in crime preventions of criminal investigation. Divisions of Narcotics Criminal Investigation, Division Internal Security and Public Order Department, KDNKA Special Branch, Commercial Crime Investigation Department, and Counter-Terrorism Special Operation Team. All departments are led by the directors with the rank of Commissioners of Police, Army equivalent rank of 3 stars General or Lieutenant General. The Royal Malaysian Police, sila yung nakiki-operate sa other police force worldwide, especially doon sa 4 neighboring countries, naghahati-hati sila sa borders, which is yung Indonesian National Police, Royal Brunei Police, Royal Thai Police, and Singapore Police para sa kapakanan ng organization nila. Rakan Cope Malay Friends of Cops is the Malaysian Community Police Corps, which was launched by Royal Malaysian Police in Kuala Lumpur on August 9, 2005. Combat Crime City Situation of Malaysia. Noong August 9 daw ay nilunsad na police force na tulungan ang combat crime sa anumang uri ng sitwasyon sa Malaysia. So now we'll proceed to ranking system of Malaysian Police. Ranking system: Commission Officer, Inspector General of Police, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Commissioner of Police, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Senior Assistant Commissioner of Police First, Senior Assistant Commissioner of Police Second, Superintendent of Police, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Assistant Superintendent of Police, Chief Inspector, Inspector, Probationary Inspector, Non-Commissioned Officer, Sub-Inspector, Sergeant Major, Sergeant, Corporal. Last is RMP Education and Training. The composition of the police force reflects the general ethnic makeup of the nations. Most police in the Malay Peninsula are Malay Muslim. In Sabah and Sarawak, most of the lower ranks come from the native ethnic groups. Indians and Chinese are present in all branches but more visibly in the CID and Special Branch. The force is well trained and pay and morale are high. Although local conditions vary, there are 3 methods of joining the police force. Candidates with at least 6 years of primary schools are recruited as constables. Those holding the Malaysian Certificate of Educations are recruited as probationary inspectors, and university graduates are recruited as probationary assistants, superintendent. So sa RMP Educations naman, natatakel dito na ang person ng pulisya ay sumasailalim sa pangkat etniko ng bansa. Karamihan sa Malay Peninsula ay mga Malay Muslim, Sabah at Sarawak. Bagamat iba't ibang lokal ng kondisyon, may 3 paraan ng pagsali sa pulisya. Una ay ang kandidato ay may hindi bababa sa 6 na taon sa elementarya, ay kanilang kinukuha bilang constable, at ang mga may hawak naman ng Malaysian Certificate Education ay kinukuha nila bilang probationary inspector, at isa pa dito ay ang nagtapos sa universidad, kinukuha nila bilang probationary assistant superintendent. Last is the Police Training School in Kuala Lumpur offers basic training for constable recruits and refresher courses for junior officers. Higher level courses are given at the Police College in Kuala Lumpur, Kubu, Baharu. There are separate schools for CID and Special Branch. Personnel and paramilitary training for the PFF is given at Ulo Quinta in Perak. Unit training is also given where needed a number of police officers from other countries in Southeast Asia attend the Royal Malaysian Police. And members of the RNP attend courses in Australia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. So, dito na ipakita na nag-aalok ang police training school sa Kuala Lumpur para sa mga junior officer at ilang opisyal ng pulisya mula sa iba't ibang mga bansa ng Southeast Asia ay nakilahok at pumasok sa Royal Malaysia Police at ang mga miyembro at naging miyembro nito ay dumadalo sa iba't ibang mga bansa. And this is the end of the report of Group